Hello, I would like to show how to use variation source. Already installed variation source plugin. Now I have to go product attribute. This is attribute. Go to configure tabs. Oh, sorry. First, you have to go your attribute edit. Select type, color, image or button. First I will set color and update. Then back to attribute and go to configure terms. Now you can set color here. Just I will set a color for the value. Just test. Back to tag, edit, choose color, back to tag, refresh this shop page. Now variation source is activated. I hope you will able to set. Now I will show how to use image. Edit, set type, image, update, back to attribute, configure terms, edit, upload your image. As a sample, I will set an image, back to tag, edit, upload an image. You can upload image from your computer. By the I just set as sample. Complete. Now if you refresh your page, you will see image as source. Okay, I hope it's clear. By the way, if you want to hide or enable change configuration for this footer cut, you can go to configure, footer cut option, always show height for 0, I mean 0 price, submit, refresh. Now by default footer cut will stay hide, and if you add any item to cart, then it will appear. Even if you add to cart from another tab, suppose here I will add even here show how many item added. Per item total 23. This was already changed. 23. Now I'd like to finish this video. Thank you.